The VCB 017 Block by Viet Tiles is a premium cement tile product designed to combine both functionality and aesthetics. Featuring a clean, geometric pattern, the VCB 017 tile brings a modern appeal suitable for various architectural styles such as tropical, Indochine, minimalist, or contemporary green designs. Crafted from natural materials including cement, sand, and stone powder, this non-fired block is environmentally friendly and contributes to sustainable construction practices. Its standard dimensions, smooth surface, and precise edges allow for easy installation, saving time and labor costs. Beyond its decorative appeal, VCB 017 enhances natural ventilation and daylight penetration, helping to regulate indoor temperature and reduce energy consumption. It is an ideal choice for decorative walls, room dividers, exterior facades, and ventilated fences in both residential and commercial projects. Commonly used in homes, cafes, resorts, and public buildings, the VCB 017 block not only serves as a practical construction material but also as an architectural element that promotes well-being and comfort. With Viettiles' trusted brand reputation and verified quality, the VCB 017 is more than just a building block. It is a sustainable and elegant solution for today's architecture.